heavy in Green Bay. It's not heavy rain, but it's just like rain, which is quite often in India. In Mumbai, you'll always get double the rain, triple the rain, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times the rain. Green Bay, we're still happy with this. We should be content and we should be done. Otherwise, it's going to flood that home green, not home green. What's the Bridgeport thing? Our roadways and our cars have to nearly float in water. That's very bad. But yeah, as usual, this rain is going to continue. I guess I didn't see the weather, but let's see what happens. Right now, it's looking cool in Green Bay. No snow, and as I wished, no white Christmas.